And for those who are new to the channel, hi, I'm Saba and this is Savoring with Saba. And y'all, I am super excited about today's video because we are celebrating the second anniversary of this channel. And to celebrate in style, I'm going to show you how to make the most moist, delicious, buttery vanilla bundt cakes you have ever tried. So let's jump right in. Be sure to like and share this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, click that red subscription button below to join the community. Start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and then grab 2 mixing bowls, one for your dry ingredients and the other for the wet ones. We're going to kick this off with the dry ingredients first, so put your almond flour and your baking powder in the first mixing bowl and mix them well. Now take the second mixing bowl and put the ghee and the cream cheese in it. Add in the sweetener, vanilla extract, and sour cream to the butter and cream cheese mixture. Pour the wet ingredients into the large bowl with the almond flour and baking powder and mix well. Now add the eggs to the batter and mix well. It's time to grease up those bundt cakes, pans. It's time to grease up these bundt pans, and y'all, I'm so excited because I actually got an early Christmas gift. I got this really cute bundt lip pan that I used for Christmas. The mini bundt cakes turned out beautifully. This is by Nordic Ware, y'all, and I'm gonna use it for this recipe. If you don't have this type of pan, that's fine. Use a traditional bundt pan because it all works the same. Alright y'all, we are finished transferring the batter into our bundt pans or our bundt lip pans. Y'all, I'm so excited. My mouth is literally watering. I cannot wait for this to be done. So I'm going to put this in the oven and I'll be back so you can see the final result. The bundtlets are done. Y'all, I'm so ready to try these mini bundt cakes. But we have to wait because the trick with bundt cakes is you have to let them cool in the molds completely, and that can take several hours. So when I made this for Christmas dinner, I baked them on the 24th and let them sit in the molds overnight, and then for dinner on the 25th, I released them. So if you want to have the perfectly shaped bundt molds and bundt cakes, you have to let them cool in the pans, and then flip them over in a couple hours for easy release. So that's what I'm going to show you now, and then I'll be back in a few hours to see and taste. The bundtlets are done, y'all. I have been waiting for this moment all day. I have my plates, and I'm gonna put a couple of bundtlets on there. Why not? Because we are celebrating, y'all. They turned out perfectly. Look how adorable. Look at this. How cute. This is why I love this pan. I have 2 of them, luckily, so I'll be making a whole lot more desserts because of these fun pans I got for Christmas. Y'all, it's time to eat. It's time to eat. Look at this. It's perfection. Y'all, this is so moist and fluffy thanks to our secret ingredient, that sour cream. Look at this. It's perfection. Oh my gosh. I wish you could taste this right now. It's everything a cake should be. It's delectable. It's moist. It has a little bit of that crunch, you know, that classic bundt crunch, but man, when you sink your teeth into the cake, it's like fluffy goodness, y'all. I thought I was gonna share this, but I may keep this for myself. I'm just saying, because this right here, this was worth the wait, okay? This was worth the 2 hours of letting them cool in the pan. Visit my website, savoringwithsaba.com, for the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions for our mini bundt cake recipe. Y'all, it's been so much fun. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others. And if you want to see more desserts, drop a comment down below. It's been so much fun so far with this channel. I can't wait to see what year 2 brings us. If you have not already subscribed,
I don't know what you're waiting for, but click that red subscription button below and join the community. Y'all stay safe and happy savoring.